triangle XYZ is the image resulted from the dilation of this. So this is the result from that. So it's a reduction, right? Okay. So use side similarity theorem to determine that triangle XYZ is similar to triangle ABC. Okay. Side. Oh my goodness. This is like evil. Look at that. Why would we do side? Anyways, we didn't know all the sides. So X, we're going to do it here. XZ is corresponding side is AC. XZ is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. AC is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, that's a half. Is equal to, okay, let's do Pythagorean theorem. There's a lot of Pythagorean theorem here. Okay, let's find this side right here. AB. We'll do, oh my goodness, how are we going to cut that one? We can cut that one. We can't cut this one, but do estimation. And we can't do that. Well, yeah, that's too... Okay, we can, because this is 0.5, so that's 0.5. Okay, we got it. Alright. Okay. So this is... Well, that's basically 2. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.5 right there. Okay. So we can do X, Y with AB. Let's find XY first. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. 6.5 squared plus... Isaac, can I borrow your calculator, please? Oh my gosh. No, he had a hard day at school. His body needs rest. Clear. I don't know what 6.5 times 6.5 is. It's close to 37 between 6.5 times
This is all I found.
42.25.
Oh, you got it.
Let me
That's all I
see.
found for him.
He lost. I need you to get a calculator. It's not a calculator, it's a translator.
Oh.
42.25 plus 4. I need you to buy calculators, scientific calculator. Yeah, because he's lost 2 or 3 of them.
Okay.
46.25 equals C squared square root. Okay. So add 4 to that, and the square root of that, 8.6. Oh no, not that. Here. 8.6 is about C. So here is 8.6. So twice that would be the bottom. Okay, let's not do... We know it's twice as long, because look at this. And they're supposed to be congruent, right? It's a dilation of it. So, 8.6 times 2. You guys know how to do... hold on a second. $6.8 times 2. 13.6.
That's why I said work on your game. Oh, green.
I was just standing there. I swear, I hit my shot every 15 minutes. I just feel like they.
And
One of them shot 16,
in 9 holes? They shot a 72 in 9 holes?
Yeah, one of the guys looked like.
Holy cow. That's bad.
So I was just like staring off the distance.
A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 1. So let's see. 1 squared plus 4 squared equals C squared. That's 1 plus 16 is 17 equals C squared. Okay, square root of 17. You guys need to know how to do this. Square root of 17 is between 16, which is 4, and 5. So it's probably 4.1, because this is 16. Very close. So my estimate is about 4.1. So if I need to multiply 4.1 times 4.1, but 4.1 times 4.1, 16.81. Yep. 4.2 times 4.2. Too much, 17. So 4.1 is our answer. Okay, because it's very close to it. So the square root of 17 is about, because we estimated 4.1. Okay, so if this is 4.1 divided by 2, how did you do all in all, son? This is 2.05. Okay. That's the way it should be. We're not going to do all that. So, okay, we can say that AX over, not AX, XZ. XZ is congruent to AC, right? I mean, yeah. Which is, by looking at this, YZ over BC and xy and AB, which is equal to all a half. That's how we prove it, justify it. Okay? Just making sure my letters are correct. Yep. By side, side, side. What's the scale factor used? A half. Reduction. Because it's less than 1. The scale factor, because the scale factor is less than 1. Because the scale factor is less than 1. A half is less than 1, a third is half less than 1. Those are our reduction. If it's multiplied by 2, it's more than 1. Okay, half for triangle RST. Okay, divide these by 2. Okay, so R is negative 3.5 up to, right there, that's R. S is related to K, divide by 2, 3.5 right here, and 1 right there. Oops. That is S. And T is related to L. So a half and negative 1. It's letter T. There we go.
What are you doing, Brian?
What are the coordinates? Oh. Okay, coordinates. R is 3.5 negative and 2. S is 3.5 positive and 1. And T is negative 1/2. Or, I'm sorry, 1/2 and negative 1. How do you determine the coordinate of dilation? Divide by 2. All coordinates by 2 for half. It's a reduction. Because a half is less than 1. Is less than 1. Oh no, not side, side, side. Can we do other things? We need to do Pythagorean theorem for all of them. Well, it's going to be half. You're going to reduce it to half. Okay, side, side, side. JK over RS is equal to KL. It's a dilation. It's going to be similar. ST, I'm not going to do all the math. And JL corresponds to RT. So you're looking at JK, RS. And then KL. And then the corresponding side is ST. So you need to be careful on that. And then we said the last pair is JL, so RT, okay? And the scale factor is a half, so make it a half. Equals to a half when you reduce it. Any question? I'm not going to do all the Pythagorean theorem, dissect it. You can to prove it, but you'll prove the same thing.